Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a question from the JEE Advanced 2026 paper 2, which is from the P block elements, and the question is saying xenon gas is reacting with the F2 gas in the 1:5 ratio at 873 Kelvin temperature and 7 bar pressure. So at this ratio it will form XeF4. So xenon tetrafluoride will be the P product, and the other one is the XeF4 when reacted with O2F2. So it gives at the 143 Kelvin it gives the XeF6, and this XeF6, which is Q, this XeF6Q reacts with water, complete hydrolysis. After having the complete hydrolysis, it gives the XeO3, xenon trioxide. So if you see, the first option is saying, first we can draw all the structure of these molecules. XeF4 will look like this. This is our XeF4. XeF6 will look like this. This is XeF4, F6. If you see XeO3, XeO3 will look like this. If you see their geometries, this is square shape. If you see their shape, it will look like square, planar. This is distorted octahedral, and this is trigonal pyramidal. Now it is saying P has a 2 lone pair of electrons on the central atom. 2 lone pair, that is correct. This is P, this is Q, and this is R. P has a 2 lone pair, that is the correct statement. That's why this statement is correct. A statement is the correct statement. Second statement is saying Q has a perfect octahedral geometry. That is wrong. It has a geometry of distorted octahedral, not the perfect octahedral geometry. That is wrong statement. So this B statement is wrong. C statement is saying Q can act as a fluorinating agent. That means xenon F6, XeF6 can act as a fluorinating agent. That is correct. It can behave as a fluorinating agent. All xenon fluorides can act as a fluorinating agent. That's why C statement is also correct. The molecular structure of R is trigonal pyramidal. That is also correct. R has a molecular structure of trigonal pyramidal. That's why D option is also correct. So answer should be A, C, and D. Thank you so much for listening.